I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. Hey everybody, here's the March 29th, 2021 watch list. I'm watching APTO. This one's really interesting. It gets above 625 and holds. We can see where she can go today. BCLI. Some kind of PR here. Do with it what you will. I'm looking forward to start to go to 4 and hold. Maybe get a trend reversal. There's a lot of history of BCLI. We'll see what happens. CLVS. Really want to see it break 7 with volume. That happens. It's been as high as 11. ELTK. This one's really interesting, especially if it gets above 630. I mean, volume's picking up. It died off, but that's great, actually. So we'll see. HOFV. Not the earliest of this party, but, getting above 565, 570 and holding. It was just 764 last week. Volume's dying, so selling might be over. JFIN, above 10, and we could easily see 14. Here's our pivot points. They're shorts, so this could get fun fast. MOVE, this just when the IPO just closed. So it might be early. I don't know. If it can hold above 580, we can see where it can go. NTEC, looking forward to really get above 430 and hold. It's been as high as 7, some change recently. PRQR, I actually alerted this as a fast trade on Twitter. It wasn't so bad. I got it in the 780s, I think. The problem was I got caught in a halt. Anyway, so this is a lot of volume of buying, and nobody's really selling. So really want to watch this over the next couple of days. PUYI, sooner or later, it just can't go down because nobody's selling it down. So we'll see. PXLW, 350 and up. Here's our pivot points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We get through 467, it can go. SPRT, same thing, pivot points, here we go. So above 525, 1, 2, 3, and all the way up here to 945. We'll see. So this is what I'm watching today. Probably going to take it easy. The margin calls and the containership are kind of floating out there, and it's a short week. So not going to do anything crazy, just going to take what's given. Good luck, have fun.